Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX YouTube channel. This is the Poco X3 device and we have flashed this HavocOS Android 11 only, not Android 12 yet, with 4.11 version with latest 5th November 2021. And you can also see here kernel used here is 4.14.190 Quicksilver Surya, the kernel used here, and this is the latest build with November 16 and still next status is enforcing, and the build date you can see here and the build number. This is the latest ROM of HavocOS on this Poco X3 device, Surya, Kernel or whatever you can. And flashing guide is also very simple. Just I am using a TWRP latest one. From there you can flash the latest global firmware and ROM and format data YES and reboot to system. That's very simple. If you want to see the flashing guide in the upcoming ROMs, do comment down below, and if you're first time to this channel, hit down subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. If you like the video, give it a like, and also starts with now dialer. As you can see here, you will get this kind of Google dialer one. As you can see, direct video call feature is available in this ROM. Let's see whether we get no, call recording feature is not available in this ROM, and the UI is smooth and you will get this Google Now Launcher like type. You will get left side Google Pen and right side app drawer. You can see here I have installed some of the apps here, and coming to like first camera application, you will get this kind of basic camera application in this ROM, but I have installed this Nikita Gcam. As you can see, it's working fine actually. It takes a little bit of time. Night sight also, as you can see, everything is working fine actually in this camera. And also there are some of the configs I have added. As you can see, I have used this 1.81. That's the one config I am using. It's fine. The camera application, I mean the Nikita Gcam, is fine. It takes a little bit of time to process. The HDR processing will be done in the background, but overall the performance of the camera is good and it's stable with this HavocOS. And let me turn on the Wi-Fi. Why it's off, I don't know. Okay, it should be turned on actually. And coming to safety and status, as you can see, it's get passed. It's an Android 11. It's get passed. As you can see, you won't get any problem here. And coming to like Geekbench scores, here also a little bit. I'm not saying very good scores in this Poco X3. Why, I don't know. In the custom ROMs especially, it should be a little bit more here. It should be around 1800 or 1900, and here it should touch 600. But none of the ROM as of now I have not seen, and this is the kernel used here. As you can see, Linux 4.14.190. Because of this kernel, the battery life is good. What I noticed, the idle battery drain is a little bit less. I will show you in the next upcoming part, so watch till the end of the video. My Geo, WhatsApp, everything is working fine. In WhatsApp it will show like this. You can press OK and continue. And DRM info, let me show you guys. As you can see, you will get wide one L1 certification, no problem using this ROM. And straight away let me go into the quick settings panel. You will get this kind of options. You can add or disable, I mean drag from here or drag from here if you want to use as a icons like this in the quick settings. It's still Android 11 type only, not Android 12. Auto brightness sensor also working fine, as you can see. That's not a problem. And coming to like settings, as you can see, network, internet connection, devices, you will get all the basic settings fine here. Apps and notification, conversation, as you can see, notifications, bubbles feature, everything is fine, not a problem here. Assistant, default apps you can choose here. Well, the Shady Launcher is pre-installed in this ROM. If you want, you can use anything, but it's fine, not a problem. Not a pixel launcher, but it's there. In the battery settings, as you can see, the battery is here I kept for idle. The battery drain is really less or negligible, but if you use for a long time, you will get to know more about the battery life. But in the given period of time of 4 hours I have used this smartphone, it's fine. The battery life I have got very good. I am impressed with the battery life. Show full usage, as you can see. This one charging LED, adaptive charging, last full charge. You can see here the battery temperature also. That's how. And saver, you will get extreme battery saver. Everything is fine. As you can see, you can reduce the refresh rate for 60 Hz if you turn the battery saver on or if you get 90%, it will be disabled by itself. Those things are again adaptive charging is also there. Display settings, you will get battery percentage here. Dark theme, you will get, as you can see, some of the presets are given. I will recommend to choose Raven Black to get a dark type color. Still it's not a dark pure, little bit grayish type is there, but there are plenty of options you can choose, but mostly the Raven Black is the blacker one. This is how dark theme looks. As you can see, the UI, everything, it looks like this. The quick settings panel also looks like this. Let me turn on this dark mode. Okay, and by the way guys, if you like the video, give it a like and do comment down below which is the current ROM you are using in this Poco X Surya, Kernel, whatever you call. Is this 120 Hz refresh rate I preferred? You can choose here. I did not find any difference, but it's there, and this is the colors you can change here. Lock screen settings, tap to wake, LCD features are also given. Do comment down below. I don't know this before. If you use this, tell me in the comment section below. Will it make any difference in any scenario? Do mention it in the comment section below. And sound settings, as you can see, all the settings are given here. Vibration and haptic feedback. There are some of the patterns again which is cool. If you can type, you can try. Those things are very good in my opinion. And actually this was a little bit, I changed the font size, then it's looking a little bit better. This font size were very small. I kept to 115%, hence it's visible. And in the systems you will get this kind of like, where is the option of like, okay, I need to show the gestures actually, and the accessibility menu is there, but it's an Android 11 type. You need to swipe down from the bar. You might not see the bar here. That's the one thing I have noticed. They should have again very good gesture bar, and you can increase the length, but you can't increase the radius of it. That's the one thing I have noticed. It's looking like bug for me. And straight away let's go into the configuration center. You will get status bar, many options are there. You can add the logo here option. Double tap to sleep is there. Brightness control, network speed also is there. What happened? Okay, it takes restart sometimes. Okay, you will get the network speeds here. Is it working? I don't think so. Okay, it's working, not a problem here. Carrier label you can choose, icon style, the battery style also you can change. Some of the presets are given. These all the settings you get in the status bar. In the quick settings you will get all these settings. As you can see, you can adjust rows, columns, and setting icon, auto brightness icon, edit icon. Those things are there. In the lock screen you will get these kind of options, and in the buttons and navigation you get this, and system navigation. Here I want to show you. As you can see, the gesture bar is not at all visible. They would have been made it visible, and gesture bar length I kept maximum. There is no radius to increase it, but it's fine. And notifications, you get all this kind of notifications. Battery saving options, as I said earlier also, those are there. Screen options, media, miscellaneous, you will get gaming mode. As you can see, these are all the options you get. You can check out. And this is how the ROM performance. It's fine actually. As you can see, you can take screenshot. Also you can lock here, and also 3-finger screenshot is also available. If you want, you can enable that in the settings. I've shown everything, and let me show the gaming review and CPU throttling test. First show the CPU throttling test. Let's start the test. I will check out for 3 minutes and I will come back. And as you can see, the performance is really good in this CPU throttling test. You can see here I will stop for 2 minutes. As you can see, the maximum is 155, average is 151, minimum is 137, which is good for this ROM. The actual performance is really good in this ROM. The screen refresh rate and day-to-day tasks are working fine. And also let me touch the gaming part also here. And let's see what's the game settings you get in this Poco X3. After that, Havoc latest November security patch build, And also do comment down below guys which are the games you are trying to use in this Poco X3 with your custom ROMs, which is your favorite game. Do mention it out, such that the majority of the thing I will be taking, and I will be showing the settings or sometimes even gameplay also if time persists. It's already becoming a 10 minutes video. If I add a gameplay it will take another 5 minutes, so do comment down below regarding that in the comment section below. And I have already made several videos on this channel regarding custom ROMs on some other smartphones also, and some unboxings, laptops and earphones you can check out in my channel. And as you can see the settings, you will get graphic settings smooth plus ultra and HD, and I recommended is smooth plus ultra. If you want you can use GFX tool and increase up to 60 FPS. I mean smooth plus extreme, that's going to be fine in my opinion. And regarding the benchmark and what I've seen CPU throttling test, I might say this could be the better for gaming also. You can definitely try it out, and day-to-day tasks are no problem, and no problems in all the basic things are working fine in this ROM. Let me show you the speed test here. I have here like 100 MBs plan. It will be pulling up to 90 like that. It's fine. Even mobile data also I have tested. It's carrier aggregation, all the things are working fine, no problem in this ROM. And if you like the video, give it a like guys, and that's SAMPATH FX YouTube channel, and we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.